So there's many ways to get yourself into the holiday spirit. You can either start putting up your holiday decorations, watch a holiday themed movie, or start listening to Christmas music. But there's definitely something about visiting a place that is decorated for the holidays that gets you right into the holiday spirit. Whether or not you're new here, welcome to the Megan Moves channel, where I like to help you make the most of your travels. And in today's video, I want to share with you 5 places you need to visit during the holidays. And I'm going to be leaving my favorite place for last. So with that, let's go ahead and get right on into it. The first place on our list here is to visit some type of outdoor ice skating rink. It's always fun being able to go ice skating at an indoor rink, but there's something about an outdoor ice skating rink that really adds to the experience. Another great aspect about ice skating and an outdoor ice skating rink is that it's a very family-friendly and fun activity to do. And the great thing about holidays is that oftentimes cities or towns will actually set up their own outdoor ice skating rink in the middle of downtown. When coming home for the holidays, one of my favorite things that I look forward to is visiting downtown Pittsburgh, where they set up their own outdoor ice skating rink in the middle of PPG Place. This is a great activity to make an evening out of when everybody is home for the holidays, whether it's with family or just a fun date night to go on. The Christmas music and holiday decorations that are displayed around the outdoor ice skating rink will really boost you into the holiday spirit, but also allow you to see a different side or aspect of the city that you're in. So definitely check out and see if your local town or city sets up their own outdoor ice skating rink and add it to your list of things to do for the holidays. Item number 2 here on the list is another outdoor activity, and that is to visit some type of ski resort. If you're a fan of skiing, snowboarding, or even tubing, visiting a ski resort is a great thing to do during the holidays. For some reason, there's a very nostalgic feeling that I get when visiting a ski resort during the holidays or Christmas time. It's just a very nice, cozy feel, and it's a fun activity to do, especially with friends and family. Sometimes the inside of the lodges are decorated for the holidays, so you can definitely enjoy the decorations, some warmth, and maybe a hot chocolate. If the ski resort that you're visiting has either condos or cabins that you're able to rent, this might be a fun weekend getaway that you can have with the family during the holiday season. So booking a trip or planning a day at a ski resort is definitely something fun that you could add to your list for the holidays, if this is something that you're interested in. Item number 3 here on the list is something that I really enjoy doing during the holidays, and that is visiting either a town or city's light up night. Going along with the outdoor ice skating rink idea, visiting a town that has a light up night is a great way to get into the holiday spirit. The one thing that I really enjoy about these events is that they are a great way to bring the community together and really bring everybody out to support the town. But not only that, it's a great way, as I keep mentioning, to get into the holiday spirit and to enjoy the holiday festivities that come along with it. Oftentimes at these light up night events, you can find some parades that feature a lot of local businesses or bands from high schools. There may be a vendor event going on where you can support some small shops. A lot of the businesses that are in downtown are opened up, and some even offer complimentary treats, so you can go in and find yourself some hot chocolate or some festive goodies. As I mentioned before, the thing that I really love about it is that it really brings everybody out and the community comes together. But it's also a great way when everybody is home for the holidays, or if you have relatives over that you're wondering what to do with, you can go and visit these local light up nights and make an evening out of it. So research to see if one of your local town or cities puts on one of these light up night events, and go ahead and bring the family and check it out. Item number 4 here on the list is definitely something I'm going to be adding to my holiday list of things to do, and that is to visit some drive-through lights. If your local town or city doesn't put on a light up night, or if the event has already happened, definitely go and check out and see if there is some type of Christmas drive-through lights that you can see. As I mentioned, this is definitely something that I have at the top of my Christmas bucket list to do for this holiday season. But visiting one of these drive-through light experiences is something that you can make an evening out of, and something that I feel like everyone in the family could get something out of and enjoy. It's fun to go and see all of the Christmas lights, but one thing that I have really found is that I really think that they're very impressive in how they set up and coordinate all of the lights. So it's definitely something you might want to add to your list as well. And as I mentioned, I wanted to save my favorite for last here, and item number 5 on the list might be oddly specific, but during the holiday season, you should visit a German-themed town. When I think of the perfect place to visit when it comes to Christmas time, for some reason, Germany comes to mind. I personally feel that the architecture and landscape of Germany really makes for the perfect Christmas atmosphere. However, living in the United States here, it isn't often that you or myself are able to get the opportunity to visit Germany. But with that, the next greatest thing is to visit a German-themed town that we have here in the United States. And with that, a quick Google search has showed that there are a couple of German-themed towns that are spread throughout the US that are able to be visited. One of these German-themed towns that I personally was able to visit during the summer is Leavenworth, Washington. This beautiful Bavarian village is located in the mountains of central Washington. And the neat thing about this town is that all of these shops and businesses that are downtown consist of German-themed architecture and themes. This town was not only beautiful during the summer times, but as I've been looking through pictures, it seems that it only gets prettier during the holidays. The town gets decked out in Christmas lights, there's a Christmas market that happens, as well as other festive activities. So if possible, look up the nearest German-themed town to you and make an effort to go and visit it this holiday season. And there you have it, guys. There's a list of 5 places that you should visit during the holidays. And let me know, what did you think of the list? The holidays are definitely one of the best times of the year, and whether it's spending more time with family or checking out some of these holiday events or things to do, it's definitely important to make the most of it. So with that, thank you so much for watching this video today, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you have planned for this holiday season, and if you are interested in keeping up with future ways to make the most of your travels, definitely hit that subscribe button and we'll keep you posted when the next video goes live. But have a great holiday season, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys!